Hello guys, welcome to Technofission. In our today's session, we are seeing how to install CentOS 7 in a Oracle VirtualBox. So come see how to create a virtual machine in your system. So first we have one prerequisite of Oracle VirtualBox in your system. So let's start the installation process. So first we are opening Oracle VirtualBox. After opening this, we are seeing in our leftmost corner, we have one new option. So here we are giving a name of our virtual machine. This is CentOS. Then we are seeing our type will be automatically changing to Linux and version will be Red Hat 64-bit. Then our memory size will be 2048 MB for installation. 2 GB will be required. So we are giving this. Then we are choosing our hard disk size. Then after choosing the hard disk size, then we are going to hard disk file type, and this will be VHD, and our storage will be dynamically allocated. After that we are going to continue this. We have some instruction here, we are reading this. After that we are going for file allocation. So we are giving the file allocation one size of, for our requirement our size will be 15 GB. So we are changing it from 8 to 15 GB for our requirement. Then we are going to create. Then after, our CentOS machine will be ready. Then we are power on the system. After that we are import our ISO image of CentOS 7 from our system to VirtualBox. Then we are opening this. After that we are starting the installation. So for installing any virtual machine in VirtualBox, we have one prerequisite of ISO image of that operating system. So here our installation will be started here. Our first, they check the operating system will be correct or not. So here our operating system checking will be running. When it will be complete 100%, then we are going in next part. Here our checking will be done. Then our CentOS 7 will be ready for install. This will take too much time, like it will take 5 minutes. After that they are waiting for some minutes, and our the window will be here for configuration. So we are managing the window, and then one message will become welcome to CentOS 7. Then first we are choosing our language. This is English India. Then we are continue this page. After that installation summary will be here. So our date and time will be automatically set. After that we are changing the software selection. So this will be in minimal. So we are changing it to server with GUI. So this will helpful in seeing the graphical user interface in our CentOS 7. After that we are going to the system, and first we are going to kd dump. We are done this. After that we are going to installation destination place. So here we are seeing the storage. Then after done this, we are going for running the installation. So here we are setting our accounts. So first we are setting our root account. Root account is our super user account. This is called administrator account also. We are giving a password for a root user account. We are giving any alphanumeric password here. Then we are going for user creation. So we are using machine for testing purpose. So we are giving it a name test user. Then we are giving a password for a user. This will be also alphanumeric. After that we are confirming our password and done this process here. Then we are seeing our installation and file and packages transfer will be done here. It will take 15 to 20 minutes in your system, but we are doing fast forward in the video. So after that it will take too much time. So we are waiting for completing this installation. Here our system will be ready for reboot. Then we are going to reboot the system. Then our window will be then our system will be ready to start. We are entering here, and first time it will be questioning for a license purpose. So here some question will become here. It will be Linux, CentOS Linux 7 core. We will start it. All the thing will be done. Just one process will be remaining for installation. Here we are giving some question, and we are completing this question, and our installation will be completed here. So first we are choosing, first read the agreement, then agree the agreement for license. Then after our welcome portal will be there. We are opening from test user and giving our password here. Then we are signing into our account. So it will be black screen. Okay, then our screen will become. So this first time, that, that's why it will take too much time. So here we are opening our terminal here. Then it will welcome CentOS 7. Our CentOS 7 will be all set for the use. This will be our terminal. This will opening by clicking on right click and opening the terminal. So this will be installation process. After that we are going to log out the system. So for that we are going to power off the system, and our system will be ready for use. So this video will be over here. For more updates, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.